Look at Spy. Who's in that? Nice flush from 578.
Yep,
So any
this
coach.
guy.
I am.
Nice job. Good job. Checking the L2s. I still don't see any levels. I can see a lot of buyers popping in there.
Yeah,
Look at Spy. Look at Spy. Who's in that? Nice flush from 578.
Yep,
So any
this
coach.
guy.
I am.
Nice job. Good job. Checking the L2s. I still don't see any levels. I can see a lot of buyers popping in there.
Yeah, it's a break and hold 577.60 and then all the way down to 576.50.
Yep.
Yeah, my trade, Eric. That's where I'm at.
Yeah, like I said, I can see some big buyers that are coming in. You'll see them just quickly pop in on that L2. It'll be like 1200, 1400, 1200. See them, there was 1150, 1100 right there. You see how they there's 1000, there's 1080. See how they're popping in up here? 1200. Look at the L2s, watch it. 2200 just got bought. See it? 1700, 1300. You can see them, but they're just not able to hold it up. It's too weak. Market's too weak to be in. I would never be buying right now for calls. Hell no. These people are crazy in here trying to buy it long right now. Like, you guys are maniacs.
Coach, it looks like a triple bottom from December on SPY.
Yep. This is heavy. This is the Widowmaker days when people are trying to buy longs and all it's doing is shorting. There it goes. New low a day.
Next level is 576.57.
Don't forget that 1 hour 575.03 I mentioned.
Oh, yep. And I've got 575.50 as the next gap down, 575.50. Yes, look at this.
Yeah, touchdown.
Glorious. Who's making money on this?
Right here, coach.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Good
I am.
Good job. Yeah, the people crying right now, right? While we're all making money. Isn't that funny again, though? The people in the know, look at everybody in this room should be printing today, right?
Yep.
Well, think about it. How many of you, though, thought you could only make money when the stocks go up? That was pre-joining American Dream Trading.
Oh, yeah.
Like, wait a minute. You can make money that way too? Hell, some of our biggest profit days are when the market is crashing. Am I right? Yeah, it's just consolidating here. This is respecting this 9 now all the way down on the 1 minute right here. This is where it's respecting. Everybody see it?
Yeah, there's nothing between here and 575.
Yeah, I've got 575.50 marked next, but you're right. This is nice gap down territory. Watch for volume. Yeah, here comes look at this pulling. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So you guys are down $2 now from that 578 puts. Who's still in there? Who made money off that trade?
I took advantage of that gamma candle.
Yeah.
I'm still in. I'm staying in. I'm not.
45 seconds to shift.
Thank you. Yeah, watch for volume. 10 seconds, gang. Oh, look at that flush. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Here comes our level of support. 575.50 was my next level of support. Oh my gosh. Volume in, still flushing. Oh, that's beautiful, gang. Please tell me you guys are still in that making ass loads of money. Oh, excuse my language.
Hell yeah, I am. Yes. Thank you.
There's 575.03.
That is nice. Oh my, look at that. That 575.50, it couldn't hold it. Look at this thing. Oh, yep, 575.03 right there. Yep, right? Yep, I see it. Thank you. Good job, you guys. That's beautiful. I had to zoom in. This is nutso. It's glorious. Next major level, 573.75.
Here we go.
Wow.
That's a macro double bottom. We might catch a bounce.
Wow. Yeah, definitely. This 575 is major bounce territory.
I flipped the script on that.
Yep. That's a big one.
And I'm only taking the dollar item out of that.
Yep. Now I'm just watching pull back or bounce up to the 9 and then pull back again. Trade it until you can't trade it anymore, right?
I didn't even wait that long.
Yep.
I sold on the dollar bounce.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So we're going to run it right now. Bruno, if you would post it. $5,000 one-time payment, diamond lifetime, unlimited, all of our member services, including the mentorship, which is $6,000 a year by itself, a year. You guys can get it right now. You'll have access to everything: the premium, VIP, VIP gold, the futures, futures VIP, futures VIP gold, crypto, crypto VIP, crypto VIP gold. You guys will get access to the breakout rooms. You guys will get access to weekend training. You get access to all the advanced training videos, all the workshop classes, all the mastermind classes. You will get all of it.
Coach, and those folks out there listening
Yes.
that aren't sure about this, I'm telling you, I am jealous of you guys that are going to get it today. You guys don't know how awesome of an opportunity this is at $5,000. Coach ain't paying me to say this. I'm just not to where I need to be or want to be. You guys get ahead of me. Take advantage of this. Do it. It's awesome. You won't kick yourself in the butt.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, and just so you guys know, that is a $20,000 service. I'm not exaggerating. I sell that for $20,000. We had it on sale for a little bit for 10. That is a $20,000 service with over $50,000 worth of services. So some of you are like, oh, that's really expensive. That's obviously not for you. Some of you that have been in here for longer than 2 minutes, you know what a value that is. And you know how fast 5,000 is when we are using our trading strategies, not financial tax or investment advice, results not guaranteed. But you guys understand the difference now being in this room and anywhere else.
Welcome to the Aftermarket. American Dream Trading. You have entered the Aftermarket. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Welcome. You are now in the Aftermarket.
Good afternoon or good evening, shall I say. Welcome to American Dream Trading's The Aftermarket Live Chat and Watch Party. I'm Dawn, your host, aka J&J Video Reacts, and this is a stream that has been created by us traders in American Dream Trading to just kick back after the market and have a place to come and kind of hang out, talk about the day, talk about whether we made money, whether we lost money, if we follow Coach's rules. Coach, by the way, is who you just watched talking about our Diamond Lifetime membership, in which you can get all of the services that he provides for you. Weekend training, it's just a massive amount of training for only $5,000, and it's $50,000 worth of services. It's unbelievable. Shout out to Coach Chad Christian. He is a 33-year Stock at Mark vet. Stock at Mark. Stock at Mark. There you go. Maybe that could have fit on your license, but anyway, it's 33-year stock market veteran that has literally traded in every market condition imaginable. And he trains us to do the same thing: how to get in trades, how to get out, how to chart things out, how to look for support and resistance lines and areas where it may bounce or ricochet in another direction. And we learn how to trade the right way. A lot of groups out there don't do that. They teach you how to chase call outs. They'll yell something out and expect you just to jump in it willy-nilly without really knowing what you're doing. And a lot of people end up losing a lot of money that way. We don't do that over here. So if you want to learn and you want to learn the right way, go to none other than AmericanDreamTrading.com, right? and go ahead and get signed up for the Diamond Lifetime membership. Now, we do have other memberships that are monthly that may be a little bit more affordable for those of you who can't do the 5,000 at once. That's okay. We do have tiered memberships. So that is the cream of the crop. And right now it is on sale. So that, of course, is what I'm going to talk to you about because that offers you the most bang for your buck. But yeah, so welcome. I see you down there. I saw James L. I saw F2. I saw who else did I see down here? I saw Pebbles, Eminem. What up, baby girl? J Dog. What's up, J Dog? Gen X. Gen X was the first one in here. Welcome, Gen X. Let's see here. J Dog said just watching, listening, and learning. Okay, cool beans. J Dog also said practicing stuff in my paper account. Up about 3K today on it. Nice. Way to get after it for the first day of May, right? That's what you got to do. Now, shout out to Ange. She is one of our training moderators over in the future section. And she has come up with the May challenge, right? Where we are all, it's micro May, we're calling it. And we're all doing one contract over in futures. And if you guys want to participate who are in the stock and options part and the crypto, just do like one or two contracts or small. The whole bottom line is small position sizes is where it's at, right? Small position sizes build huge accounts. Let me repeat that. Small position sizes build huge accounts. It's got to start somewhere, right? So you got to make sure you get good at making the pennies before you get good at making the dollars. And the only way to do that is to go in with a small position size and just repetitively practice your entries, repetitively practice your exit. Repetition is the mother of retention, right? So make sure you are just mastering the process that is taught in here on a daily basis. And if you want to know the ins and outs of how that's done, come on and join, right? They give enough away for free and come on in and join and learn and actually learn how to trade. And on top of that, we talk a lot in the group about mindset because along with the technical and the mechanical aspects of trading, you got to have the right mindset. You've got to be patient. You've got to learn to be disciplined. And without those two attributes, you can hang it up. It's not going to work. That's why 95% of traders fail because they don't possess those two things, right? Warren Buffett says it. And I know I'm talking in cliches tonight, but it's all true. It's all true, damn it. The market takes from the impatient and pays the patient. It is true. How do I know? Because I have been impatient and I have gotten money taken from me. And I've also had patient trades where I got paid, like today. Ooh. So you got to learn how to be patient. And once again, you got to get involved to learn. So do that with small position sizes, right? Make sure you're using stops because all trades are risky. Coach always lets us know that. Make sure you are using stop losses and proper risk management. Make sure you're not trading with anything that you can't afford to lose. And you're not going into the idea of a trade with losing everything that you put into the trade. That's what stops are for, right? Figure your risk to reward ratio, whatever that may be, right? We highly push the fact that we don't want you losing more than 1 to 3% of your total account. So if it's more than 3% of your account, you need to get out of there if it's going against you. It's more than 3% of your account that's within that one trade, then you need to get out of there, right? So don't lose more than 1 to 3%. So that is what we do over here in American Dream Trading. So tonight we're going to do 2 Truths and a Lie, which is something that our beloved Maria first introduced to the aftermarket, and we love her face. Hopefully you're having fun at T-Ball. We miss you. And then what we do is we have 3 statements. If you're not familiar with it, 2 of them are the truth. 1 of them is a lie, and it's up to you to figure it out. So let me go ahead and put the panel link out there because we have nobody on the panel. And now I realize why, because I didn't put the damn link out. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Let's see here. Let me go over to the chat bar. Let's get that in there for you guys. All right. All right, here come the link. All right, there it is. Let's get some people up here on the panel and make this super, super fun tonight, right? Just click the link. If you're on your phone, click Safari. That'll get you in. I'm not really sure how to do it on the computer because I usually just go in on my phone. But just click the link and follow the prompts and come on up on the panel. You can kick back, relax. We'll play 2 Truths and a Lie. Yay! Milk Money.
Sup?
Sup, girl?
I'm tired.
Are you tired? All right. Well,
It was
that's
a really long day. Like, it was a great day. It was a long day.
Yeah, I mean, seriously, it has been a long day. And like Keith has just been the topic of conversation all day today. This has just been fantastic. So did you tell him yet?
No.
Ha! All right. Well, he is good. I wish I could be a fly on the wall when you do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let Coach do it.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be cool. But yeah, man. So how'd you do today?
I did really well. Did lots of training today with the group.
Yes, you did.
Both on futures and mindset and all of it, right? Like, it all rolls together.
It does. You're getting burnt, dude. I can tell.
I'm what?
You're getting burnt. She's fried. She's fried. Stick a fork in her.
Oh, I am just.
I know you are ready to go take a.
When did I pop in here? I almost
You
said
said
9.
3, didn't you?
My alarm went off at 2:30, and I was looking at charts at 2:45, and I logged into the Zoom at 3 this morning.
Wow.
Yeah, it was busy. Busy.
Well, let's go ahead. Anybody else coming up on the panel? Come on, F2. Come on up here, baby. Pebbles, come play the game with us real quick. We're going to do 2 Truths and a Lie. Miranda, come on, Miranda. You don't even need your camera. Come on. Maria's at T-ball. Vic B, what's going on, Vic B? James, come on up here. It's been a minute, brother. All right, so let's get started on 2 Truths and a Lie because we don't want to keep Ange too long before she does an Irish goodbye on us. You got everybody doing it.
I love it.
I know, I do too. It's pretty cool.
What else can I get the group to do?
Let's figure it out.
That's really fun. Like, I've got so
many. Got us doing microme.
Yeah, microme is good. It's good for everybody, no matter your style of trading.
F2 is on board. What up, brother?
Hi, y'all.
Good. How are you today?
Good. I had a day off from the 9 to 5. Done a little bit of quick trading. I actually scalped today. Candles.
Sweet.
I didn't freak out. I did it for like 5 candles, and I said that's enough. We're taking the green and stopping. Then I went and done absolutely nothing this afternoon. So
that's what you got to do.
Good, huh?
It felt pretty good to do absolutely nothing. Like, I made it to my recliner and started watching one of my favorite TV docuseries, and I fell asleep and took a nap like an old man.
That's awesome. Can't you just imagine him and his lazy boy, right? Just kick back.
Doing about EWOs.
Nice. That's what it's all about, F2. Being able to afford to have days like that more and more frequently. All right, so tonight we are playing Two Truths and a Lie. I'm going to get the first one up on the board. All right, so set one. Day trading involves, now remember, you got to tell me which one is the lie this time, right? Okay, so number one, day trading involves holding stocks for less than a day. Day trading involves holding stocks for less than a day. Number two, swing trading typically involves holding stocks for several weeks. And number three, long-term investing means holding stocks for at least a year. One of these is a lie. Which one is it? Tell me, which one of these do you think is a lie? Number one, number two, or number three? What do you think, Ange?
I think number 3 is a lie.
All right, Ange says number three. What do you think, F?
I want to go with swing trading because you just have to own swing trading for a day or so, or over a day. I don't think it needs to be several weeks.
Yeah, I could see that too. This is a hard one.
It is. Trying to challenge the mind. James L says one. X the Trader, what's up? Says two. He agrees with you, F2. Robin SoFlo says one. Jeffrey says one. Vic B says three. Keither says three. What up, Keither? What up, Robin SoFlo? We've only got one person, two people so far that have the answer right. That was my next guest, F2. Okay, well, if you did, James L, that would be right. F2 and yeah, and X the Trader have it correct, right? That is a lie. Swing trading typically involves holding stocks for several weeks, right?
Sweet.
Interesting. All right, number two. Because you can intraday trade, which is also a form of swing trading.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
so, yeah. Number one, bull market. The bull market is characterized by rising stock prices. A bear market is characterized by rising stock prices. Market volatility can lead to sudden price changes in the stocks. And I forgot I'm supposed to be taking turns reading because you guys will read it quicker than I will. What do you guys think is the lie here? One, two, or three?
Two.
All right. F says two. I say two. Ann says two. Vic B, James L, Robin SoFlo says two. A bear market is characterized by rising stock prices. If you know anything about trading, you know that is an absolute farce. All right, Angie, you want to read number three for me?
Sure, absolutely. So set 3, number 1, a company's earnings report can impact its stock price. Number 2, stock splits increase the value of each share. And number 3, dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders.
So which one of these is a lie, gang? Bucko, what's up? Bucko says two.
I say two.
X says two. Carmelo.
This is hard. I guess I'm out of the lingo with stocks. I'm going to go with the crowd. I'm a follower. I'm going to go with two.
Carmelo Fry says two. Jeffrey, Bucko, Keither. All right. Stock splits increases the value of each share. Yeah, when they do a split, especially a reverse split, it does not increase the value. It just increases the amount of stocks available, right? Number 3. F, you want to read that one for us?
To set 4, technical analysis involves studying price charts and patterns. 2, fundamental analysis focuses on a company's financial statements. 3, both types of analysis guarantees successful trades.
Yep. It was 4. My bad. Which one is the lie, everybody? We need some Jeopardy music or something.
Number 3 is the lie.
Yeah, number 3.
All right, Ange is going 3. So is F2. Everybody seems like they're going with 3 down there. And I agree. So yes, 3 is the answer. Both types of analysis guarantee successful trades. All right, let's go with
Speaking of technical analysis, the training we had today with Richard and Futures was awesome.
Yes, it was.
Like I almost need to hear it again and again and again and again and again because it resonated with me, but I didn't catch it all.
I know, me too. We need to have a set of Richard videos so we can watch them over and over and over.
Yeah, it was good.
He's pretty advanced. He's got a lot of experience for sure.
Yeah. You want me to read this one?
Sure.
Set 5. Short selling involves selling borrowed stocks with the expectation of buying them back at a lower price. Number 2, a limit order sets the maximum price you are willing to pay for a stock. And number 3, a market order guarantees the price at which a stock is bought or sold.
There's an operative word in there that's giving that one away from me.
I pick number 3 as the lie.
That's what I picked.
Number 3, because of the word what? Guarantee.
Yep. There is nothing guaranteed, especially in stock trading. Hey, Steve, how are you? Welcome. We're playing a little game of 2 truths and 1 lie, helping us sharpen our stock trading skills by getting familiar with these terms and what they mean and what they do mean in stock trading. Okay, let's move on to number 6. Yes, we got that one right.
Set 6. Number 1, blue chip stocks are known for their stability and reliability. 2, penny stocks are typically priced under $5 per share. 3, ETFs only include stocks from one industry.
Interesting. Which one of these is a lie, everybody? Tell us which one of these is not true.
I'm guessing on this one, I'm going to say 3 again because can ETFs be like different types of industries? Like
they can.
Like one ETF would be like, I don't know, technology or chips, and one could be like financial. I'm really not sure.
You're absolutely correct. You've got Vanguard. Those are ETFs, right? You've got the S&P. You've got the Russell. So yeah, you're absolutely right. He just gave you a big clue. Bucko says 3. Carmela says 2. Okay. Anybody else? Hey, Vegan Knowledge, what's up, honey? Anybody else? What answers we got? We got 3. We got 3. Yep. The answer is 3. ETFs only include stocks from one industry. That is definitely a lie.
You want me to read it?
Sure. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
You bet. Set 7. Earnings per share, EPS, is a common metric used to assess a company's profitability. Number 2. A company's price to earnings, P&E, ratio helps determine if a stock is overvalued or undervalued. And number 3, higher EPS always indicates a better performing stock.
Where's Ted when you need him? Or Palm? You know they love earnings. Well, a lot of people like earnings, actually. Maria's into earnings, too. I'm going to go with 3. Higher earnings per share always indicates a better performing stock, because plenty of times we've seen stocks plummet after having good earnings, right? Or vice versa. What do you guys think?
I'm guessing on this one with 3, just because of the word always. Unfortunately, I need to pay attention to some of Richard's go breakout videos, because he talks about P&E and stuff all the time, I believe. So,
Yep. X the Trader also says 3. Bucko, Robin, So Flow, Vegan Knowledge are all saying 3 as well. Yes, 3 is the answer. Set 8. Set 8. Margin trading involves borrowing funds to trade stocks. Margin trading involves borrowing funds to trade stocks. Number 2, options trading gives you the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. And number 3, stocks with higher volatility are generally safer investments. Which one of these is an absolute lie? I think this one's pretty easy.
I'm going with 3.
I'm going with 3 too. Robin SoFlo says 3. Bucko 3. Jeffrey 3. Carmelo 3. Rob, Keither. Looks like everybody's got a 3. Absolutely. Stocks with higher volatility will rip your face off. They are certainly not safer options. Okay. What is set 9 says IPO stands for initial public offering. Initial public offering, right? Number 2, IPOs are only available to institutional investors. IPOs are only available to institutional investors. And number 3, an IPO is when a private company offers shares to the public for the first time. Which one of these is a lie? Carmelo and Rob say 2. I say 2.
Let's go with 2.
F says 2. Going once, going twice. Keither says 2. Yes, it is 2. IPOs are not just available to institutional investors. Retail traders have the ability to buy them as well. And shout out to James L. Shout out to Callie for always making sure we are up on our IPOs. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you. And last but not least, set 10. ETFs typically track an index or a sector, right? We just talked about this. Number 2, mutual funds are traded on stock exchanges like ETFs. And number 3, ETFs offer diversification and lower expense ratios compared to individual stocks. This one's gonna make the brain work a little bit. Which one of these is a lie?
I don't know.
I love the honesty.
I don't know. Like that?
ETAs typically track an index or a sector. Multiple funds are traded on a stock. I'm just reading this so I can get an understanding of it too. Multiple funds are traded on stocks. Oh, mutual funds are traded on stocks like ETF. That sounds like bullshit. Mutual funds and ETFs are two totally different things. ETFs offer diversification, which that is true. Let me look at the cheat code. Yes. What do you guys think?
Let's go with 2.
Yes.
Yep, everybody's going with 2. I rationalized it out. It is 2. That is the answer. Yeah, that mutual funds and ETFs are two totally different strategies. So we do these exercises so that you guys can pick up things and learn more things, because you're going to hear phrasing, you're going to hear stuff on CNBC, you're going to hear Coach say things, and this kind of stuff. The more you hear it, it puts you in the know. You start to understand what some of this stuff is, right? So that's why we do these exercises, right? So anything you guys want to add? I know we want to get out of here because we're tired and it's been a long day. I'm so glad I'm part of this group. I don't mean any harm. I love you guys. You're like a family to me. Thank you for always supporting.
Yeah, that's the whole point, right? You come for the training and you stay for the family.
Yeah, it's true. Yep. Coach sucked us in, but the family kept us here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad tomorrow's Friday. I did so much like mind work today that I'm like
spent. Time to go rest that brain of yours.
No, but I won't do it. Like, that's the problem. I've
Yeah,
got one more day in me.
You are gonna be spent, but you're gonna get the rest of the weekend. So
yeah, I got some studying I want to do over the weekend, and I got videos to catch up on, like that I need to either finish watching or rewatching.
That's because you're laser focused. No matter,
I have big goals in mind. I can.
You got to do that in spite of being tired. You got to do it.
Yeah. I'll rest when I hit some major goals, and then I'll reap the reward, and then I'll nap.
F, you got anything you want to add, honey?
No, just thanks for doing the show all the time, and give a place to come and chillax and talk about, getting some FaceTime and with the group, and hopefully one day it'll be even more,
Yep, it will be. Robin, Flo, Jeffrey, all you guys, Bucko, thank you for being here. Vegan Knowledge, thank you so much. James, thank you guys for being here. Keither, thank you. Did I say Rob? Yeah, I said Rob. Doug, what's up? Thank you. Look, Mark and Ange and Doug. I was doing that earlier today. Jen started cracking up. That Lee Moo emo.
That's awesome. Yeah, everybody rest up. It'll be another great day in the market tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. So we're going to go ahead and end this session with Coach's rules as we normally do. Please make sure you adhere to them. And we open at 4 a.m. Don't forget to pick up that Diamond Lifetime membership if you have not already. And you can do that at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Link is pinned right to the top of the live chat. Peace and blessings, y'all. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
See ya. No Irish goodbye?
No.
Please follow the rules. Nobody go rogue. Some of the rules that we have to and live and die by in here is do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares and or options. Make sure you guys are practicing small base hits. Don't go for home runs. Allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading using a simulated trading system such as Webull or some of the other ones that are out there. If you are an expert trader, please make sure you also are being careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 to 9 minutes of the day. Those are the absolute most volatile times in the entire market. Also, if you're a newer trader, please don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Those are the most dangerous times.